Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start with our first lesson about Arabic letters. We're talking about harf al-alif. Harful alif. Okay? So, harf al-alif has two functions. The first one that we're talking about is as a vowel. So, he works as a vowel. So, in the case that we want to say the vowel but longer, we use al-alif. Okay? There are two positions that we can see harf al-alif as a vowel. In the middle and at the end of a word. Okay? So let's just read together some examples. At the end of a word, like هذا, okay, we can see here harf al-alif, which is like a stick, okay. It's not connected with that because that not, it's a letter that doesn't accept to be connected before, okay. So we'll write it like just a stick, okay, like this. All right. So it's هذا, this in English. For example, هذا كتاب, this is a book. هذا. The second is عصا. Okay. So we have two fatha. Good. Here you can see that is attached, is connected with harf al-sad because it's a letter that accepts to be connected before, okay? After, sorry. So we have asa, okay? هذا عصا, okay? So here we say it's just okay? But here we say so, it's a little bit longer. So because we want to be longer, we should add harf al-alif, okay? عصا. Another form, okay, or format that we can see al-alif, it's like this, and it's called al-alif al-maqsura, okay? So it's like this. And this word is who, da. So we have who, da. Here we have ha because it's a fatha, ha. And here we have dhamma and it's who. We pronounce it like this, who, okay? Like Robin Hood, who. Huda, okay? Huda, guidance. The last one is the verb masha. Ma, so we have fatha and another fatha here. Okay? Masha. As the example, the first example, the stick, the alif in this form, we can say it attached or not attached. Depends on the, let's say, the before letter, okay? Half of that not accepted to be connected after, so there is a kind of space, you know. And here it's the contrary, okay? Here we have al-alif al-maqsura, we'll write it like this. And it's there is a space. However, here there is no space, okay? So I repeat the 4 words in order just to pronounce it better, okay? هذا عصا, okay? هدى مشى, okay? So let's see together in the case that we have al-alif in the middle of the word. Okay, so let's take this example, which is طالب. Okay, let's put the harakat. Okay, so we have fatha, طا, li. We say bun. Okay, طالب, طالب. Good. It's a student. Okay, طالب, as here, you know, as in this example. Half of ta except to be connected after, so we just draw the stick and add, let's just this to be connected with half of ta, and we say طالب, طالب. Okay, we can format a sentence. We can say هذا طالب. Okay, this is a student. In the case of Arabic, we don't need a verb. Okay, we can say and it's correctly correct, extremely correct. We can say هذا طالب. This is a student. هذا طالب. Okay, هذا, and the next word is شارع. شا الفتحة الكسرة شاري عن. Okay, شارع, the same case, you know, connected. شارع, and also we can use it and say this is a street. هذا شارع. Okay, the third word is فراش. So we add al-fatha, another fatha, فراشٌ. Good. فراشٌ, butterflies. فراشٌ. صابون, and here it's not connected because حرف الراء is one of the Arabic letters that doesn't accept to be connected after. Okay, so we should have this letter space, okay, between the two letters, حرف الراء وحرف الألف. فراش. The last one, صا. Okay, بو, ضمة. ضمة, we add ضمة. صابون. Okay, ضمتان. صابون. Okay, so today what we see together is حرف الألف, but as a vowel. Okay, and its essential function is to have the sound ah. Okay, so a little bit longer than ah. So we should add alif. We can see it in this form, in this form, on this form, on this form, depend on its position, okay, in the word. I read these words just for the sake of the pronunciation. هذا, عصا, هدى, مشى, طالب, شارع, فراش, صابون. So this is the end of our video. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.